up, YouTube? This is Stealth R1, and what are we doing today? So, primarily, I'm going to be installing the underbody LED kit for the Fortec Drift and the Fortec 2.0. As you guys can see, this is my Fortec 2.0, the 4GT VXL, nicknamed Goose Chase. So let's rip this bag open and see exactly what's inside and how we're going to install it. Alrighty, so after reading the paperwork, and I'm looking at this right now, it looks like my expanded telemetry system has to go. That's quite alright. I'm not really crying over that. But yeah, that looks like I have to take that out. But it also means that I already have one of these. So I can just leave that one on there. So it's going to be a couple of screws, and let's mount that on right now and take a few things off and see what's going on. Alrighty, so judging what I'm looking at, I have to install this power accessory power. That's going to land right there. I have to run my wires all the way back to the receiver right there, so it's going to be one of my other auxiliary ports. Run the wiring down to here. Everything snaps into the place, and that's the way my wiring diagram should be set up as. So it'll be fairly simple. A few screws that I have to disassemble over there, and then let's wire this bad boy up. Did I see how it connects? Snap, snap. Those are the millimeters. Okay. Yeah, and then that takes there, and then oh man, I'm gonna have to use these nuts to screw these in. All right, well, let's get it cracking. Alrighty, so I want to talk to you about how this looks visually as of right now. So the installation ended up happening. The booklet, well, the instruction manual is pretty straightforward on how they want you to wire everything like that. There's a few things that I had to take in once I ended up doing this. But if you look at the unit itself, it's very clean. It looks a lot different than having my my Traxxas Link telemetry expander that was on there. But aesthetically, from the top, it just fills up the whole thing. It looks really good. Let me see from the bottom. From the bottom, it looks very, very clean. I'm very impressed on how clean it does. It fills up the whole car. The only difference is that there's a hook that's right here on the front side that you're going to have to maneuver a few things, but it hooks into the top screw of the servo. And yeah, so let's plug this in and see what it looks like. Alrighty, so I'm going to show you visually of what it looks like underneath, and we're going to turn these lights off. But yep, that's the way the undertail looks, and that just lights up everything underneath there. So the lights off underneath, this thing looks killer. Definitely worth the money. I would say invest, what is it, $40 to get this. Quick, easy, and not quick, easy install, but install nonetheless. Cool upgrade for your RC. So, yep, it came out really nice. I think the side view, yeah, it looks good. Anyway, rate, comment, subscribe, and tell me if it's on YouTube. Later.